Today, we will feature the housing lot behind me. Alam ko very familiar yung design sa inyo no, because we are at the development of Greenfield City. We are here at Pramana Residential Park. This is the first residential park in the Philippines and the first residential ni Greenfield dito sa Greenfield City, Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Pramana Residential Park is very near to Eton Exit. Malapit din tayo sa development or lifestyle development ng Paseo Outlets, and also we are just 10 to 15 minutes away sa development ng Ayala New Valley. Ngayon, we are here at Pramana because we have a brand new housing lot. We have a 154 square meter floor area that sits in 176 square meter lot area. So itong housing lot na i-feature natin today is ready for occupancy. So if you're a type of investor, gusto mo na nakikita mo na nakatayo na yung bahay, no, continue on watching this video. Baka itong housing lot na ang para sa'yo.